Hello and welcome to the Ratings Review. I'm David Wright, Managing Partner and Joint Founder of Zenith Investment Partners. And today we're reviewing Wilson Asset Management, the winner of the Listed Investment Company or LIC category of the recent Professional Planner and Zenith Awards. Wilson Asset Management have a suite of LICs that cover a range of different market segments of the Australian equities market and are well regarded and rated by Zenith. The group itself manages over $2 billion in funds under management for investors in this category. So what is it about Wilson Asset Management that earned them the winner of the LIC category? Well, for more than 15 years, Wilson Asset Management has been a stalwart of the LIC industry. Jeff Wilson himself is a doyen of the LIC industry, has done much for the promotion, growth and improvement in the management of the entire sector, not just Wilson Asset Management. He's backed by Chris Stott, an experienced investor in his own right, and an experienced investment team of 5, which has grown over time as the business and the number of LICs offered by the group has grown. Wilson Asset Management's approach is absolute return oriented, using a well-developed stock research, security selection, valuation and portfolio construction approach, which has delivered investors strong returns over a long period of time. The team considers relevant micro and macroeconomic trends and targeting under-researched companies. Once an attractive opportunity is identified, the team undertake extensive financial and fundamental analysis and meet with the company. The investment team typically conducts over 1,000 company visits in that quest to find undervalued and attractive companies to invest in for the LIC portfolios. Zenith believes that the company's differentiated approach, which has a successful long-term track record, is a key attraction for investors. While the company has a suite of LIC investment options, the overall investment objective is to deliver investors a rising stream of fully franked dividends, provide capital growth and preserve investors' capital. Wilson Asset Management continues to be highly regarded by Zenith in terms of both portfolio performance and also shareholder engagement. This is an area that we see as a critical facet of operating LICs and has directly resulted in the award, given shareholder dissatisfaction can drive share prices away to heavy discounts from portfolio values in difficult markets, despite investment strategies remaining sound. And so we see that as being a critical aspect of all LIC company management. As the manager has a range of different LIC offerings, they can be used by a wide variety of investors within the Australian equities exposure of portfolios. For example, self-managed super fund investors, on-platform or direct off-platform investors, tax-driven investors, small and larger investors, as either a diversified exposure, as a single investment exposure to Australian equities for small investors, or blended with other managers and asset classes for larger, more diversified portfolios. And finally, there's much more to Wilson Asset Management and the range of their LICs than we've been able to cover today. If you'd like more information, just click on the following links. Thanks again for joining me today on the Ratings Review.